Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we are going to go over how you would replace your license plate lights. You have two, one on this side, one on both sides of your license plate. And so if either one of them are out, the way you go to replace this. So to start with, might work easier if you're holding the trunk up a little bit, or you can do it while it's down here. You just gotta get down there and get it out. So you're doing it with popping the hatch a little bit. Whether you have the hatch up or the hatch down, I'll show you how to get up in there. All right, so you have the light bulb cover here, small screwdriver, be able to just, it's all plastic, so you just want to be careful and be able to pull the tabs to the sides, and then you'll be able to pull this housing cover down. And then we have our light bulb up in here. Yeah. So you have to use your super grip to rock and pull that bulb out. So a new light bulb for this is the W5W. So you'll get a new W5W to replace. Be able to line it up there. Press that into place, and then take your lens cover and be able to snap that and lock that back up into place. Repeat for the other side if you're doing both of them or just doing the one. And so that's how you would replace your license plate light bulb on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.